Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. You're watching another useful guide made especially for Oppo Reno 15C users. In this video, I explain touch not working problem step by step on Oppo Reno 15C. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn to the bell icon to stay connected with us. So let's start today's video.